Today, we're going to explore the functionality of dashboards in the HTCD app. Start by logging into the HTCD app and selecting My Dashboards from the left-hand side menu. You'll notice a substantial number of pre-existing dashboards. These are default dashboards automatically generated by the app, offering a range of useful insights. These are referred to as adaptive dashboards. If you navigate to the settings and enable the Adaptive Dashboards feature, these dashboards will refresh at specified intervals. Any new findings will be added to the dashboards, or new dashboards may be created based on these findings. Let's take a closer look at one of these dashboards. The first thing you might notice is the default date range, set to 14 days. However, this can be adjusted using the Date Range button located in the top right corner. Another feature is the option to share any dashboard you have access to with your colleagues. You also have the option to delete this dashboard from your HTCD account. You might also notice that there are two integrations visible. If you're operating in a multi-cloud environment, you can view results across multiple integrations. You can choose to see results simultaneously across both integrations or isolate one based on your needs. As you can see, we have integrated Microsoft Defender XDR and Amazon Security Lake into our environment, enabling us to see results from both AWS and Azure. There are numerous ways to customize the look of your dashboard. Firstly, you can easily drag and drop any element to any location on your dashboard. Next, by clicking on the three dots, you can access the preferences. Here, you can modify the layout of the widget however you prefer. For this demonstration, we'll select the horizontal bar and also modify the visualizer. Let's transform this from a bar graph to a column view. All we need to do now is click Save. It's that easy. Even in this column format, we can select multiple integrations to view. This level of customization is available across all dashboards, not just the ones you've created, but also those shared with you. Now let's proceed to create a new dashboard. To do this, click on the Create Dashboard button in the left-hand menu. There are two ways to create dashboards. One is by domain, and the other is by individual policy. Domains are essentially a collection of policies that cater to a specific area, such as containers, databases, encryption, vulnerability management, network security, and more. For this demonstration, we'll create a dashboard focused on encryptions. Let's give it a name and provide a description. This dashboard can be shared with your colleagues, if you wish. After naming and describing it, simply click the Create Dashboard button, and there you have it. Your dashboard is ready. Now let's move on to creating a dashboard using individual policies. Let's create a dashboard that provides an overview of our security posture. For this, we'll include connection attempts refused by IP at source and overly permissive security groups. We'll also add max critical findings under resources. And finally, we'll include vulnerability age distribution by severity level. All that's left to do is name this dashboard. And that's it. That was an overview of HTCD's dashboards, which are quick, powerful, customizable, and adaptive.